Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to dive into a platform called Udimi, a marketplace for solo ads. Whether you're a newbie in digital marketing or a seasoned pro, if you're looking for a way to drive targeted traffic to your website or offer, you've probably heard of solo ads. But is Udimi the right place for you? Well, let's find out. So grab a coffee, sit back, and let's break it down. Udimi is an online marketplace where you can buy and sell solo ads. Now, if you're new to solo ads, basically, it's a type of email marketing where you pay someone to send your offer to their email list. And Udimi connects buyers like you, who want traffic, with experienced solo ad vendors who have large, targeted email lists. Now, let's take a closer look at the platform and see what it really offers. First off, the design of the site is super clean and easy to navigate. As soon as you log in, you're greeted with clear options like Find Sellers, Get Traffic, Become a Seller, and of course, your account dashboard. So whether you're buying solo ads or looking to sell your own, the interface makes everything really simple. Now, let's check out a solo ad seller's profile. Each seller has their own page where you can see things like their rating, the average number of clicks they deliver, and the price per click. You can also read customer reviews to get a sense of their reputation. I really like this transparency because it helps you make a more informed decision when choosing who to work with. So, Udimi does a great job of making the whole process really straightforward. But what's the pricing like? Well, solo ads on Udimi can range from around 30 cents to over $1 per click, depending on the quality of the list and the seller. But remember, higher quality traffic will usually come with a higher price tag. One of the coolest features Udimi offers is its tracking and analytics. When you buy a solo ad, you get a dashboard where you can track how your traffic is performing, like how many clicks you're getting and even how well those clicks are converting into signups or sales. So you can measure your return on investment right from the platform. Now let's talk about some of the pros of Udimi. First, transparency. The platform lets you see detailed seller profiles, ratings, and reviews, so you know exactly what you're getting before you make a purchase. Second, ease of use. The website is super easy to navigate, whether you're buying or selling. Third, buyer protection. Udimi offers a refund if the seller doesn't deliver the promised traffic, which is awesome for peace of mind. And let's not forget performance tracking. Being able to see how your traffic is performing in real time is a game changer. However, like with any platform, there are some downsides. First off, quality control. While Udimi has a lot of great sellers, the quality of the traffic you get can vary. That means it's really important to vet sellers carefully by checking reviews and ratings. Another downside is, Udimi doesn't guarantee conversions. Just because you get clicks doesn't mean you'll get leads or sales. The traffic quality can be high, but conversion depends on your offer and how well it resonates with the audience. And lastly, costs for quality traffic. If you're after premium, highly targeted lists, you're going to pay a premium price for it. So, should you use Udimi? In my opinion, if you're looking for targeted traffic and want a simple, no-frills way to get started with solo ads, Udimi is definitely worth checking out. Just make sure you do your research on the sellers to ensure you're getting the traffic that fits your needs. My final rating for Udimi is 4 out of 5 stars. It's a solid platform with great features like transparency, buyer protection, and tracking. The only downsides are the potential variation in traffic quality and the cost of high-quality lists. But if you're serious about scaling your business with solo ads, Udimi is a great tool to have in your marketing arsenal. Alright guys, that's it for today's review of Udimi. If you've used Udimi before, drop your experiences in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you think. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss any future reviews and marketing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. So friends, if you want to buy this product, please check this video description and first pin comment below. Thanks for watching the full review video. Hopefully you liked it.